pussy. What's going on, guys? Today, I'm picking up the BMW. It's gonna be fucking sick. My first new car in a while. Let's go. First, we're gonna check out Alex's C7 Corvette. Oh my God, that's a real Corvette, dude. Holy crap.
Yep, so 2017 Grand Sport, 2 T.
Oh my God. Yo, you've been dailying this thing?
Yeah.
You got the tints on this thing too.
Yeah.
And what'd you do to the windshield? Is it keeping the heat out?
Yeah, so 70% clear.
The UV protection
Yeah, like
one?
the ceramic.
And then the caps, right? Did you put them in yet?
Yeah.
Oh my God, dude, the reflection is crazy on this car. PPF. Wow, it's all PPF. That's
Keep in mind,
crazy.
like, this is actually dirty.
Yeah, because it just rained a
Yeah.
shit ton.
What's good?
He goes, yo, I love this car, bro. Wow, it looks so sick in person. Oh, let's hear the cold start, dude. Is that in track mode? That's not loud at all. That's reasonable. Nice, bro. Oh, I like this, yeah. Have you taken the top off yet?
No, actually.
You want to take the top off? It looks, I think it's a safe day.
Maybe, yeah.
That's up to you. You want to run it? Let's run it. Oh, it's hooked. There it is. It's a good day.
Actually, yeah. Oh, it's like that.
There. Top down. Let's go. Okay. Wow, this looks even sicker. This looks cool, bro. Yeah, this thing looks so sick, bro. The T-top is crazy. That goes so hard. You got Pilot Sport all seasons? Hell yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, you're good, bro. You're good in the rain. You're good in the dry.
Oh, yeah.
Well, let's go. Oh, you look so cool, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, my friend Alex is cool. Jesus Christ. Oh my God, bro. Dude, every time this car, I low-key hate this car, bro. This is the third time I'm in a fucking Corvette. They scared the shit out of me, bro.
That was a 60% full on cold tires, too.
Well, Alex is enjoying it. Blood is ripping it.
Oh, man.
All the way to Chick-fil-A. Oh, you look good driving it, bro.
Thanks.
You really do. What's up, guys? Before we get back to the video, really quick, if you want to support the channel at all, please just like, comment, subscribe, share the video with friends and family or whoever, car friends, anyone. If you'd like to support me in any kind of way, you can go to buymeacoffee.com/JDMJunkies. The cost of, I think it's $4, the price of an average coffee. You can support me. It goes directly to me and this channel. Not me, actually, just this channel. I'm a small creator. I'm not even a monetized partner yet or anything like that. So you guys would be directly supporting me to make my dreams come true. And it would be just greatly appreciated. I also have links to everything, all my gear in the description, Amazon affiliate links. I get a kickback. It helps me directly. Again, these are just optional ways to support. The one main thing for me is if you liked, commented, and subscribed, let YouTube know you like the video so it keeps getting recommended to other people. That's all. We'll get back to the video. Thank you guys. Appreciate it. Peace. Okay, so Alex, I don't know what's going on. I just said, what's up, bussy? We were in his Corvette, as you saw.
Yeah.
And he's about to teach us and me the whole rundown, the whole walk around of the BMW that I just purchased from him. G.
I got
What
you.
a G.
So bill of sale finally signed.
Yep.
So first bit.
Okay.
Is this?
What the fuck? I don't know. He said it's.
First bit is the keys.
This is actually, bro, you're mad cute. Yo, look at this. This is sick. What the fuck? 2 Beamer keys.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. These are sick.
Yep.
Those are fucking M Performance like leather. This looks like an old man thing. I kind of
Yeah.
like that. What do I do with? Is there anything else in here?
In there, no, the rest is in the car.
Oh shit. What a great, look at this. Go, show it. Look at the presentation, bro. In a box? Where'd you get this box? Why did you, and how did you?
Don't worry about it.
You build it, bro? Bro, blood, sweat, and tears.
Yeah. Cut down the trees myself.
No, this is, bro went outside and started chopping logs.
Yeah.
No, this is fucking so cool, bro. What a presentation. First of all, thank you. It feels like I'm at a dealership.
Yeah, man, I got you.
Thanks, man. That means a lot. Hug it out. Hug it out on camera. Thanks. That's really good, bro. That's thoughtful as fuck, dude. Wow, what a legend. I'm gonna keep the box.
No, keep it, yeah.
All right, now what?
Now? Head down.
Okay. TV crib.
What's up?
Did you rip ass?
No.
Oh.
No, it's my like shoe dragon.
Your chanclas.
Yeah, chanclas, bro.
What a beautiful day.
Oh, yeah.
What a beautiful day.
And I'll show you the first, I guess, party trick and cool thing too.
Okay.
So you'll see that the windows are cracked down partially.
There she is, guys. It's Kawasaki next to you.
So normally, to open, your hand goes in here, and to lock, you just tap on that, press and hold it.
Press and hold it?
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Yep.
That's crazy.
So if you forget to roll your windows down, do that. And if you press and hold the unlock on that, it'll put everything down, including the sunroof too.
Oh. Wow. What the fuck?
Yeah. So that's first thing.
Holy shit.
Yeah. Yeah, so I've coded in things like that, folding mirrors,
That's crazy.
the startup little like logo and stuff.
Why doesn't it come like this from the factory?
I don't know, it should.
It's weird that it has the ability to do it, but it
Yeah.
doesn't let you do it unless you hack
Yeah.
it.
And
jailbreak, you have a jailbroken BMW is basically what it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
Your first startup.
All right.
Yep.
Quiet, chill.
Yeah, so I do have a cold start delete. We can tune that back in if you want. But it gets rowdy.
Okay. So what else we got?
So basic rundown. When you start the car, you don't have to press and hold the button. Just brake, tap once.
What I do? Did I held it?
Yeah.
I held it down.
So like
okay.
you can
push it.
you can do it, but you don't have to.
Okay.
If you want to fully shut down the car, press it twice. So it's like once will turn it into basically accessory almost,
Okay.
and then second is actually like off. You'll see that the like screen is still on,
Yeah.
right? And your music will still play. Cutting it off one more time is like fully off.
Okay.
To
right.
lock and unlock every door, that's right here.
Every door? There's an
Yeah.
every door button?
Yeah.
I've never noticed that before.
You can program your garage door buttons there.
Oh yeah. Wow. Yeah. That's gonna be sick.
Yeah.
I can actually use that. All right.
Any questions so far?
Honestly, no. So far, pretty straightforward.
All right, cool.
It's good being in my hands.
And then you can go to vehicle status is probably where you live. So here, once you start driving, I have a code where it'll give you the tire pressure and PSI per tire. You can reset all the values right there.
Okay.
You can also check your engine oil by just hitting a button and just waiting here.
Wow.
So there's no actual dipstick, it's all digital.
Wait, it doesn't even have a dipstick?
No.
Wow.
Sports displays are the cool one. So
Okay.
it shows your horsepower and torque, and post-tune it did reset the actual like numbers.
Okay.
So they're higher. For a heads-up display, you only really have just like speed. If you want to shift it into manual shifting,
Okay.
you don't have to tap on this. You just knock it to the left.
So if I'm in drive,
Yeah,
knock it
view.
and now I'm in manual.
So you technically aren't yet. So technically DS means sports shifting. I would downshift once, and then you're in first.
Oh, okay. I see.
Yeah,
I
and then
see.
you can do that when the car is in motion too. Have some grocery organizers, factory carbon head there.
So Alex, can you quickly give me a quick rundown of all the modifications done to this car?
Okay,
Mods.
yeah. So aesthetic mods that we done, we did rear spoiler, rear diffuser, Sparco Pro Corsa wheels, Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires. We did the M-style mirror caps. We retrofitted depot headlights and taillights with the angel eyes that are OE style. For performance, we have an engine intake. We have a callus downpipe. We did a mid-pipe delete and a Borla axle back. It's on a boot mode, stage 1 tune. For the interior, we retrofitted a Beamer Tech MMI, some footwell lighting, and a bunch of other smaller bits, but I think those are kind of the like highlight pieces of it.
How do I look?
Good.
Oh, you can still see me because it's on wide.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. First drive in the BMW. Let's go, guys. First impressions. I'll probably do a good GoPro video later on, or maybe on the way home.
And it's in comfort too.
Yeah, we're in comfort right now.
So you will feel it like your steering wheel and throttle will change a lot.
Very chill, very quiet right now. Like absolutely, at like human speeds. Like
Like regular people speeds. How do I change it to sport mode? Is it this mode?
So nope. So your selector here. So it'll default into comfort. Up is sport.
It sounds completely different.
Yeah,
in
no,
sport
it's
mode.
crazy.
Oh my god, it's like a different car. Do you do Sport Plus ever? Is that?
So Sports Plus is the same as Sport, but it turns traction kind of like halfway off.
I'll figure that out when we go on the track day, which will be soon, guys. And Alex is taking his fucking C7. I'm taking this car. John's taking his C7. Alan's taking his. Does he have a 420 or a 440?
He has a 440.
440. He's taking his 440, which should do great on the track. How good are the brakes?
Really, really good. Running.
I hope the fucking mic picked that up.
Yeah.
Okay.
Like floor it.
This little bang ass gas.
Go, bro. Yeah.
Bro.
So you get like the most pops and bangs, like the more aggressive ones, around like 3,000, 4,000 RPM. Yeah.
I mean, this thing really is smooth as fuck, dude. I mean, I just redlined this shit.
I said, is he gonna shoot?
Bro, I was like, I thought it was an automatic for a second. I forgot it was in manual. That was great. I mean, that was such a short little drive, but like my first impressions, one, smoothest fucking car I've ever like owned. Easily, bro. This thing drives like a dream. It's so weird because it equally feels like forgiving and light and easy to drive, while also giving you a lot of feedback and feeling like you have a lot of control at the same time. It's a weird thing because it gives you both. It's comfy, easy, but also like very driver and responsive too. It's very unique. Honestly, I don't know how to describe it. What up, bitches? Hey.
Yeah.
What's up, bro? I haven't long time no see. Oh, my bad. Sorry, dude. They pop so easy.
Oh yeah, no. Like in Sport, it will pop on decel and every single downshift.
Just some guy shit.
Guy shit.
Wing stop, brother.
F1 and wings, man.
One of Alex's final rips. Oh, shit. Man, the brakes are fucking good on this fucking thing, dude. Holy shit. Oh, fuck. Wow, that hooks, bro. What the fuck? It didn't go anywhere.
Exactly, dude. See?
It didn't drift at all.
And dope car. Keep in mind, that's what traction half off to.
Yeah, you're in Sport Plus.
Like, you'll be fine, bro.
I can't wait to track this thing.
Yeah.
That's gonna be a dope day. Wow. Good shit, bro.
Yeah.
One of his final rips, dude. Let's go.